Na nimeangalia finance bill, na finance bill inafuruga katiba kwa vipengele kama 6. Na mimi nakuomba waheshimu katiba, wazitoe, kwa sababu wasipozitoa tunaenda kukabiliana kotini. There is nothing to complain about, but there's everything to fight for. But let us avoid that fight. Let people not fool you here. Let people not deceive you. There are issues in that katiba where even the Supreme Court has pronounced itself that need to be honored. We have things in that katiba kama hii housing levy. Ilikuwa kwa ile nyingine na mimi ndio nilienda kotini kaichapa mpaka ikarudi kwa voluntary. Sasa mnataka tena nirudi kotini? Wala rais, tafadhali turahisishe, tunataka kuunga mkono. Mimi na kuunga mkono, nataka utawale kila nchi ya Kenya, because if you succeed, and I always pray for you when I wake up in the morning, among the intercessions I make, I pray for you as the President of Kenya to succeed, because if you succeed, Kenya is better off for everybody. But Your Excellency, if you fail, we all fail. So I pray for you, I pray for the Pope, and I pray for religious leaders in my intercessions. So please, I plead with you, I've already prepared a petition to go to court. But when I heard you are coming to Busia, I did not find it last week. I held on. I pray that we look at this bill. If we can avoid having to go and fight in court, we avoid. But if people are coming here to say that everything is okay and what have you, then next week we shall be fighting in court, and it's bad for friends to fight. Thank you, Your Excellency, and God bless you.
We've also looked at Section 33 of the VAT Act that introduces VAT on insurance compensation. We find that it does not violate Article 40, and it is not unconstitutional. We have looked at Sections 30 to 38 of the Finance Act, which amend Sections 5, 8, 12, 17, 34, 30, 34, 43, first schedule, second schedule of the VAT Act, and we do not find them in violation of the Constitution. We also looked at Section 48 of the Finance Act, which amends Sections 2, 20, 28, and 14, first and second schedule of the Excise Duty Act, and by introducing Section 36(1)A and 36(a), and we do not find them unconstitutional. And we also have looked at the changes in tariff headings and rates under the Excise Duty Act, and we do not find them unconstitutional. And we find that the introduction of the Housing Levy amendment to Section 84 lacks a comprehensive legal framework in violation of Article 10, 201, 2010 of the Constitution. That levy against persons in formal employment to the exclusion of other non-formal income earners without justification is discriminatory and irrational, and arbitrary, and in violation of Articles 27, 201, B1 of the Constitution. And flowing from those findings, we find as follows that, and these are our declarations, Section 76 to 78 of the Finance Act, amending Section 7 of the Roads Board Act, 87, amending Section 88 of the Unclaimed Assets Act, Section 88 and 89, repealing Section 29 of the Statutory Instruments Act, are unconstitutional, null and void. That Section 84 of the Finance Act violates Article 10, 2BC, 27, and 201 of the Constitution and is therefore null and void. That an order is granted prohibiting the respondents from collecting, charging, or otherwise the charge known as the Affordable Housing Act on the basis of the Section 84, and all prayers on the consolidated petition not specifically granted are dismissed, and this being a matter of public interest litigation, each party shall bear its own cost.